How to change your YouTube video download quality. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can change your YouTube video download quality on your device. Open the app. As you know that you need to be signed in to download or comment on any of YouTube videos. Sign into the account, and after signing in you can find profile icon on the top right of your screen. Tap on the icon and you'll find the settings option. Go to the settings option and here you can find the downloads option. Tap on the option and then tap on the download quality. Here you can select the quality that you want to download your video to, either 1080p, 720p, 360p or 144p. Or you can set the download quality for to ask each time. If you select the option of ask each time, the YouTube will ask you the quality that you want to download your video every time you try to download one. Hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe and comment down if you have any further issues.